Again, you are welcome to this module, which is how it works. Again, this is cryptocurrency trading course. This course is about opening your eyes to opportunities in the cryptocurrency industry and how you can make massive money for yourself in this space. Okay, so now we're going to be talking about how to get started, then overview of the exchange, how to buy and sell, what you can do to trade like a pro. Okay, so real quick, I'm going to go into the interface. From the interface, you have access to quite a number of tools. Okay, now this is the overview. This is how the Binance platform looks like. Anytime, any day. Okay, so as you can see now, this is the slide where you can have access to those coins that are trending on Binance. The trending coins are here on Binance. You can see Bitcoin, BNB, Doge, Cake, Filecoin. They are currently trending. This is trending because there's a trading competition on the Binance. Okay, so then you want to buy crypto using the bank deposits, which is not available in Nigeria at the moment. You want to use credit or debit cards, which is also not available to Nigerians. Okay, so the only option available to Nigerians is the peer-to-peer trading, cash balance. Also, you can use that if you have NGM balance right there in your account. And of course, you have to go through peer-to-peer to achieve that. Also, the third-party payment system, likes of Bantax, likes of SimpleX, and so on, cannot be used also if you are in Nigeria. Okay, as you can see, I've made a playlist for you guys that will teach you all the basics and the fundamentals of crypto and cryptocurrency. So all I'm asking for from you guys is just subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification button, like the video, and make a comment down below. Let me know what you've gained from each of the course module, each of the video. Let me know what you've gained so far from it. So I'm going to appreciate this feedback. Subscribe, turn on notification button, like this video, and make a comment. That is all I'm asking from you guys. So until the country's central bank lift the ban on crypto and allow the commercial banks to participate in this ecosystem without any restriction, that is where you can have access to all of this. But then these are the options that you have if you want to buy crypto on Binance. And here is, you can click on the market. Let me show you how the market looks like. So you have BNB market here, you have BTC market. One thing you have to know is this is the base. Okay, I'm going to teach something about the base and quote coins later on. So, but one thing you have to take note of is that on BNB market, every other coins they will bought with BNB. You can see on the right hand side you have BNB, on the left hand side you have Cake. You can see on the right hand side you have SXP. On the left hand side you have SXP. On the right hand side you have BNB. Okay, so that's for the BNB market. You have the BTC market. Same thing applies to alt market. Then you have alt paired against alt. So it's a mixture of altcoins all together. Okay, then you have fiat market. This is when other currencies are paired with stable coins. This is fiat market. Then you have ETF. For those who know how to trade ETF quite well, okay, you have BNB up, ETH up, and the rest. Okay, so that is how you can. Then you have the futures trading market also. If you want to trade futures, I'm going to teach you how to trade on futures market as well. So the next thing is you can look at the top movers. Click here to see the top movers. Okay, the large sell is on this, and the new 24 hours high is on this. So you can see the top movers, and use that also to take some decisions if you want. Then you come to trade. Let me come back to this point. Come to trades. You can change this to classic. You can change it to classic advanced. When you click on classic, the interface changes. Okay, this is the interface for the classic. Then you come here and click on advanced. It changes. Okay, so it depends on the one that you are most comfortable with. You can also come here, go to peer-to-peer. Okay, so that's also possible. Or at the same time, you have access, you can click on stock token. That is if you want to trade stocks. So what's it called? The Coinbase IPO launched a few weeks ago, and the price of this has gone up to this level. So you can trade that if you want. You can click on trade. That is if you want to be buying tokenized assets. Agreed. If you want to be buying tokenized assets. So it was trading at this point. Now it fell or down up to this level. Okay, so that is one thing about stocks. Okay, it can go up, it can go down. Same applies to crypto. So right now you can trade two stocks. You can trade Tesla stock. You can trade Coinbase stock if you want. Okay, if you want. So the next thing we're going to be doing now is to check the derivative market. That is the futures trading markets, coin futures, vanilla options. I don't do options. The leverage tokens, it's quite similar to trading futures market also. Okay, so then you have finance. You can earn how to earn, BNB, how to earn on the Binance platform. So you can come here. I'm going to right click on that, the Binance pool. Okay, the Binance Visa card, if you want to request for that, the crypto loans, you want to take loans, the liquidity swap, you just want to swap and earn double. There are a lot of, you can become a liquidity provider here, okay, and earn double if you want to participate on the Binance centralized centralized platform. Okay, so you can provide liquidity here. You can add BTC if you want and become a liquidity provider and start earning from that liquidity pool. That is the pool size at the moment. So if you add yours to it, definitely you're going to be making some profit every day, as long as people are using this swap to swap tokens. Okay, so that's really how it works here. So, and if you want to go into like mining, you want to contribute to your hash power and also mine, you can do that here. There's a bunch of things you can do on Binance. Okay, so if you want to earn more crypto, if you deposit BUSD, you're going to earn 5% on it. If you deposit like $10 million out of BUSD, you are getting 5% straight at the end of the year. Same thing applies to USDT and other tokens. Okay, so for these high risk products, if you're depositing BUSD, you are getting 27.2% APY at the end of the year. Okay, so that is that. There is fixed term. This is fixed term, and there is high risk. So determine your own risk appetite and invest according to what you can afford to lose. But this one is low risk. There is the probability that you're going to lose anything is quite slim. Okay, so then on wallets, you can do a lot on wallets. If you click on P2P wallet, it takes you to your peer-to-peer wallet. Okay, so if you click on futures, it takes you to futures. Okay, so you have orders, you have earn history. You can click on history of what you've earned so far. Then loan history. If you've taken loan, you can see your loan history here. Then launchpad history that you've participated in. So here you can switch different currencies depending on which one you're comfortable with. And you can also change your language from English to whatever English or whatever language that you want. Okay, so I think that is what you need to know about the overview of Binance, and you can also try it out yourself and see if you can discover more tools and more features on the Binance ecosystem, on the Binance platform. So next thing we're going to be doing is to talk about how you can trade, how you can execute, buy and sell on the Binance platform. Okay, see you on the other side of the course.